So how often you are not happy with your image quality coming from your camera or your drone? And today in this video I want to show you how you can improve the image quality, especially coming from a mini drone, because the image quality is not as best as coming from a Mavic drone or any series drone. And most of the times I'm using my Mini 3 Pro, and most of the time I'm happy with that image quality. But when it comes to selling my footages or images, I need to upscale them images. And for this one, I got a tool which I would highly recommend for you to check. And if it's something for you to consider, you probably can purchase it. I mean, they aren't promoting me. I'm just sharing, recommending what works for me, and what works for me should work for you as well. So in this video, I'm gonna use Topaz Photo Ai software, and I'm gonna show you how the image can be upscaled. So let's open the software using on my laptop, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Before we move forward, do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments. Any deep questions, feel free to join myprochannel.com, and you can ask me there anything you wish. Anyway, let's move forward and let's have a look at the image quality from Mini 3 Pro. Cool. Let's have a look which one. So that's the one, that's the photo. I will choose two of them. Actually four. I've got 4 images here to show you. So it's also, you can have a look here how it looks. So basically it's showing you everything you need. Now let's choose this photo which I've took in Liverpool, and you can clearly see now that there is nothing have been changed. To change, just click add. Okay, so you can sharpen it. So let's have a look how is this gonna work. So now it's working and it's loading the preview. So that's pretty much done. Now let's zoom in a bit. And strength, you can add a bit more strength if you want. And also you can upscale as well, which is really important, especially if you want to sell your images. On some agencies, they don't really like small resolutions, which comes from a mini drone. I never had issues from my DJI Air 2S, but with my Mini 3 Pro, sometimes for some reason they want me to upscale it far. So let's upscale the image as well. That's a dimension which you can upscale to 4 times. That will be overkill. I would probably stick to 1 time or 2 times. I think 1 time will do all right. So let's have a look now the results. It's all done. And you also can add some, I mean, I think added some sharpening, and you can add some minor denoise as well on your photo. And now let's zoom in and let's have a look. So you can have a look here that there is small improvements, but there is an improvement. And if you want to zoom more, you can have a look that this is original photo and this is upscaled photo. Now let's save this picture. Cool, I'll save it and let's have a look. It's still loading. It's a really useful software if you want to upscale your images. Even if you want to upscale your images from your phone, this is a great software. I mean, this is a great software as well. I mean, in terms of how, on what laptop you can use the software, you can use on Windows and on MacBook. Personally, I'm using on MacBook, which I'm quite happy. Now let's have a look on the photo. So that's the upscaled photo, which is a finished product. And now we're gonna look on details. I'm gonna move this one on the side and or let's zoom in. So you can see that the results are pretty much good. You can zoom a bit more. I mean, no one will zoom that much, but you can have a look, I mean, how good the software is. Now let's try to upscale a photo which I took with my DJI Air 2S, and let's upscale it first. So as you can see here, if I choose one time, the dimension will be different than Mini 3 Pro. And let's add a bit of denoise, add a bit of sharpening as well. You can add a bit strong sharpening if you wish. And let's have a look how this strong sharpening will work on my image. And it's still loading. And let's zoom in to see the details. So you can have a look, and you can see as well that there is big difference between the original photo and then between the photo which has been upscaled. And let's export this photo. It's still exporting. It will be a huge file. Just let you know, it's going to be a huge file. It takes a bit of time. So again, it's a great software to have on your laptop. You can upscale, you can sharpen any photo, especially if you're using like your DJI Mini drone. This software is good for the DJI Mini drones because the quality of the photo sometimes might be not as good as images from DJI Air series or DJI Mavic series. And that is all complete, and let's have a look at the photo. Cool, that's a photo and looks really sharp. Let's zoom in a bit more. And yes, looks really sharp and looks really great. I'm really happy with the results. Again, I'm not using as often just because I don't need it, but when I'm shooting images using my DJI Mini 3 Pro, sometimes I do upscale my images just because some agency requires for me to upscale my images. And that's pretty much all done. That's pretty much everything we want to show you, how to upscale and improve your image quality. If you're happy with this soft, I've left the link in the description. You can click on that link. Just to let you know, it's an affiliate link, and if you purchase this soft, I'm gonna earn small commission. It won't affect your price, but I'm gonna earn small commission just to help my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Any question, again, ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.